Okay, this is problem 9 from chapter 6 of CFIN7. Rick bought a bond when it was issued by Metaflex or MediaFlex company 12 years ago. The bond, which has a $1,000 face value and a coupon rate equal to 10%, matures in 8 years. That's what we care about. We don't care about when it was issued. Interest is paid every 6 months, semi-annually. If the yield on similar bonds currently is 11.3%, what should be the market value or price of the bond? So, okay, the required rate of return or yield to maturity is greater than the coupon rate. So that tells us we're going to have a discount bond. So the price of this bond or market value is going to be less than the face value. So our N, or number of periods, is 8 years semi-annually, so 8 times 2, 16. So the ROI is the 11.3% divided by 2, so 0.113 divided by 2. So 5.65% every 6 months. And calculating the PV, so our coupon payment is 1,000 times 0.1. Then we divide by 2, and we get $50 every 6 months, and then $1,000 future value. And so equals PV. So rate, comma, number of period, comma, then our payment, comma, and then future value. So $932.70. So just as we predicted, because the yield is greater than the coupon rate, it's a discount bond, meaning that the price of that bond is going to be less than face value.